Hey everyone, if Excalidraw is not opening, stuck on a loading screen, showing a blank page, or refusing to launch altogether, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the most common Excalidraw opening problems in 2026. First, refresh the page and try opening Excalidraw again. Temporary browser or application glitches can sometimes prevent the editor from loading properly. Next, check your internet connection. If you're using the web version of Excalidraw, a slow or unstable connection may interfere with loading resources and opening files. Another common fix is clearing your browser cache and cookies. Corrupted browser data can cause loading problems and prevent Excalidraw from launching correctly. Make sure you're using the latest version of your browser. Outdated browsers can create compatibility issues with modern web applications. If Excalidraw still won't open, try using a different browser. If it works there, the issue is likely related to your original browser settings or installed extensions. Another helpful step is disabling ad blockers, VPNs, and privacy extensions temporarily. Some browser tools can interfere with scripts required for Excalidraw to load, and that's how to fix Excalidraw not opening problems in 2026. In most cases, updating your browser, clearing cache, disabling conflicting extensions, and checking file integrity will solve the issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.